Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dea Marcela. My student number is 322110012. Today, I will tell you about the design of my research. Alright, not like if there are no challenges, like with writing must have challenge. Therefore, the researchers is interested in researching research with the title Exploring Student Challenge in Writing Descriptive Text. As we know, English is only beginning to be learned at the junior high school level, and students are expected to have the ability to write in English. However, it was found that there are still many students who experience challenges or difficulties when writing, especially at the junior high school level. According to Pratama 2011, writing is an activity to explore the reader's thought, to compile his ideas into words that are communicated with full meaning. Writing ability is the most difficult ability to master compared to other language skills. Darmadi 1996. Because writing requires a high levels of language control. Mursi and Olstein 2000. Therefore, this research question is, what are the challenges experienced by students when writing descriptive text? The design of this research will be in the form of a case study with a qualitative approach. This research will be carried out in one of the junior high school in Landak district. The student descriptive text will be used to collecting data. Then the researchers will interview 3 students as representatives of the researcher's sample. The data will be analyzed through several steps are data reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusion or verification. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for your time and attention. Good morning.